Welcome back to all of our teachers, paras, and other team members. We've missed you and have some helpful tips that will help tune up your Chromebook. If your device has been offline all summer, please expect that there will be updates, and lots of updates. We're not only talking about your Chromebook, but also your students. The ones they take home at the middle schools and the ones in classroom carts. Sometimes they take multiple updates to install and multiple reboots. So please expect the first week of school to involve lots of updating and rebooting. Watch for those prompts and don't wait too long to reboot, as updates are known to cause certain things to stop functioning, such as printing and casting. If your Chromebook is rebooting randomly and crashing in the middle of doing something, this is a sign that you need to do this next tip. There is a memory saver feature that can now be found on the Chromebooks that might help the power users that work with a large number of open tabs in the Chrome browser. First, you gotta be in Google Chrome. Click the three dots, Settings, to the left, click on Performance, and slide on the feature for Memory Saver. Leave it on balance to start and tweak as needed. This will help free up memory on tabs that are not active, but they will remain open and quickly accessible as soon as you need them. If your Chromebook is still rebooting or shutting down randomly after this, email tech support and we'll take the next steps to help.
There is nothing like the start of a new school year. My wife, even after 20 years of teaching, still gets butterflies the night before. There is so much excitement because it is an opportunity to start fresh and make an impact on student lives. It is extremely hard work, but it is also very rewarding. On behalf of the technology team, we are here to support you and wish you a wonderful start to the new school year.
You're too close to the camera when your head's cut off.
Yeah, can we show less of this, though? And that's one thing I've learned from these guys, I must confess. It's lyrics. I got this job, not just being myself. I went out, I bought some brand new shoes, now I walk like someone else. Hey. All right. My wife, even after 20 years of teaching, still gets butterflies the night before. Oh, I need a sip of water. I get dry mouth. A smile?